Microbes are invisible, but they're everywhere. They're even in the air we breathe. Let's test this with a curious experiment. For this, we'll need a nutrient medium. Mix agar with water, bring to a boil while stirring constantly, and boil for 1 to 2 minutes. While the solution cools, wipe the container with antiseptic if they're not sterile. Pour the warm solution in a thin layer, cover with lids and leave until set. The most interesting part is collecting samples using a clean cotton swab. Swipe across various objects, then across the agar surface. You can also touch the gel with dirty hands, sneeze or breathe on it. Leave one container open for an hour to collect microbes from the air. Make sure to label all samples, flip them upside down so condensation drops don't ruin future colonies, and store in a warm place for 10 to 14 days. And here's what we grew: entire colonies of microorganisms, spots, dots, and even fuzzy mold. Look how many microbes were in the air and on dirty hands. This experiment is a great way to visually demonstrate the importance of hygiene, since microbes really do surround us everywhere.